We're going to demonstrate proper techniques for sealing edges and seams for flat glass installations.
Edge sealing is performed to prevent rain and dirt from getting under the edges of the film and deteriorating the adhesive or corroding the metallized layers prematurely. Edge sealing is primarily done on exterior applications and is required to activate the manufacturer's warranty. Certain interior films also require edge sealing, such as Sunlight 70. Sealing edges can be accomplished with a variety of products. Let's take a look at some options. For interior or exterior films requiring a clear varnish type marine sealer, first, make sure the film installed has had sufficient time to dry. The edges and frames should be void of all moisture. Wipe down all film edges, frames, and glass where edge sealing is to be applied with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free towel. Use a small 1/4 inch nylon paintbrush to apply a bead of sealer. As you paint the bead, half should remain on the film and half on the unfilmed area. The objective is to completely seal the edge of the film so weather, moisture, and dust can't get underneath the film. Make sure to do all 4 sides and each corner thoroughly. If you need to create a seam for a large window, the seam will need to be sealed along with the edges. On a seam, it doesn't look good to run a bead of caulk, but there are 2 other options. One is to use a clear varnish type marine sealer, like the one we mentioned earlier, which provides marginal results because you may see the brush strokes and variances in the sealer. The other is to use edge sealing tape, which provides a uniform, clear sealed seam with minimal distortion. This is a much better option and provides great results. Make sure the installed film has had sufficient time to dry. The edges and frames should be void of all moisture. Wipe down all film edges, frames, seams, and the glass where edge sealing is to be applied with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free towel. Make sure the area is clean before applying tape. Apply the tape along the seam in one complete piece from one edge of the film to the opposite edge. Make sure it is smooth and free of wrinkles, kinks, and debris. Always tape the seam first before sealing the 4 outer edges, as this allows sealing the ends of the tape on each side. Even if you've done an overlap seam, it's a good idea to seal it. This will help preserve the film from getting damaged from window cleaners.